Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. In today's video, I am going to give you 6 interesting idioms to sound like a native speaker. So without wasting time, let's begin. First idiom is bad egg. Bad egg means when someone is dishonest or untrustworthy, then we can call that person a bad egg. For example, my neighbor is a bad egg. He always gossips about other people and it is not wise to share secrets with him. Next idiom is social butterfly. Someone who is socially oriented or extrovert, then we can call that person a social butterfly. For example, I am not a social butterfly, so I avoid going to parties. Another example is Raman is a social butterfly. She is always surrounded by people. Next idiom is butterflies in a stomach. It means to feel very nervous. For example, I had butterflies in my stomach before an interview. It means I was nervous. So instead of saying nervous, we can say I had butterflies in my stomach. Next example is my cousin was having butterflies in her stomach before an exam. It means my cousin was nervous before an exam. So instead of saying nervous, we can say she was having butterflies in her stomach. Next idiom is night owl. Someone who regularly stays up late at night or prefers to work late at night, so we can call that person night owl. For example, I am a night owl, whereas my friend is an early bird. Another example is whenever my examinations are around the corner, I have to become a night owl. Round the corner is also an idiom. When something is near, we can say it is around the corner. So whenever my examinations are near, I have to become a night owl. Next idiom is early bird. Early bird means someone who gets up early in the morning, then we can call that person early bird. For example, my grandmother is an early bird. She gets up early in the morning and offers prayer. Next example is I have become an early bird since I started walking and doing exercise in early morning. Next idiom is party animal. Outgoing person who enjoy parties, so we can call that person party animal. For example, my friend Raman is a party animal as she never says no to any birthday celebrations or get together. So that's it for today's session. If you find this video informative and worthwhile, then please share it with your friend and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.